Okay, so I'm trying to take this thing that I already know how to do with basic geometry. I'm trying to use this new high-powered tool just to make sure that I'm not momentarily disoriented. So I'm trying to pattern match this to the integral from a to b of small f of x dx. We can pattern match this. We can say that a is equal to 0, b is equal to 4, because they both go in the same place in the symbols. And we can say that our f of x is the constant function 7. Now we need our big f of x, which will be the antiderivative of our little f of x. So in this case, we need the antiderivative of the constant function 7. And you told me that one that would work was 7x. So that's our first step, is to find an antiderivative of whatever is inside this. In this case, it's the constant function 7. And then the second thing is to evaluate the antiderivative at the endpoints and subtract. And the order matters. You have to do the top minus the bottom. So my big f of x is 7, and my a and my b are 0 and 4. So this would be f of 4 minus f of 0, which would be 7 times 4 minus 7 times 0. And if I calculate that out, I get 28. So I have a different way now of figuring out that the answer to this. So this is a two-step process. You first, this is kind of step 0. You have to identify what your small f of x, your a, and your b are. You find your antiderivative big f of x, and then you plug the numbers in and subtract. In this case, we end up with